What's up guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. And I know all you guys thinking, why am I here? Okay guys, today I think of building a lab so we can test their our experiments. I know I'm not very good at redstone. I know I'm good at redstone, but not that good as you think. Maybe I know a little bit of redstone, but yeah, that's it for now. I just want to inform you I want to build a lab, and I think my house, rest house could be my permanent house because I love my house right now because this is my secret. I love my house because I'm getting bored. I'm getting bored of making a new one, and I know all you guys think because I said I I will build a we will mine today, but I think it should be better if we build the lab because I don't know, because I think that's it. I want to build a lab because I don't know. No, I have no idea why I need to build that because just it pops on my mind that it's like you need to build a lab. Yeah, I know it's crazy to explain, but I'm trying to explain in English. So guys, I will see you once I get my resource done. Okay guys, we have a stack of um, wood supplies, but I think it's good for now. And that hurts. I know that hurts. Ow. Oh my god. Okay, I just need to decide where I'm going to put the lab. The testing room. Because I want it here. Let's do it here. Come on, and I'm gonna start it with 1, 2, 3, then like that. And I'm not good at building. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is that good? That's good for me. Yeah, that's good. Maybe I need to adjust this dirt. And guys, I will be right back once again. Once again, I will be right back. Oh, sorry guys. Guys, I think we need to mine now. Next episode, cause I want the lab to have an iron door so no nasties can go there. So guys, why am I collecting dirt? I want to adjust the labs. Ganon. Guys, I just have one question. Who knows MCPE Mike? And why did I ask you that? Because I want to know if is he Filipino? There we go. That should be good for now. And oh my god, there we go. I mean, oh wait. Sorry guys, I keep saying a Filipino word. I know you cannot understand that, but I can't I can't speak English that much, so this is it. Just cut this off edge here. Mm, this is the lab for now, and there we go, perfect. So we want 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And the other side too. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I'm mad at you. You don't tell me to eat this apple. I'm almost I'm almost hungry. I mean, I'm hungry, but in Minecraft world, I almost die. I mean, not die. I mean, I can tell the word. I can tell the word, guys. Help me, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if I'm interrupting your watch while you're watching, or it's okay because I'm a Filipino, but just let me know if you're getting embarrassed. Is that correct? Is my grammar correct? See? I can't even say grammar. But now, I will perfect my grammar. Yeah, grammar. Is that good? Yes. And why did I just do that? I want to go like that. That's it. We're gonna finish off the edge of the lab right now. I mean, oh my god, Mamma Mia! That's an Italian word. Okay, guys, one more. Ah, maybe not. I'm mistaken. There we go. There we go, guys. A, a perfect lab for me. For us. Oh my god. I should have done this in episode 10, but don't worry, guys. I think just a little bomber. There we go. And let me just finish up this by adding this. Is this good for now? Or we add one more layer? It's good for me. Is it good for you guys? Yeah, that is good. Thank you guys for watching. No, I'm not gonna end this right now. But guys, wait until 15 minutes and I will just get birch wood and we will kill this priest. Okay guys, I will just get some birch wood and we will put it on the floor and see you guys there. Okay guys, it's almost ready. The lab is, I think the lab is 95% complete. 90. Get out, skeleton, get out. Okay, guys, I will see you in the morning. Okay, guys, we'll just add this birch wood for the floor and we're done. We're done on this wonderful lab. Wonderful lab. Wonderful. I wish you guys enjoy this video. Sorry. Oh. Oh no. Okay, guys, I will end this video here and I will see you guys next video. Goodbye.